Finding an apartment in a big city is hard, but today I found the perfect one. Come inside and look around.
The city is so big. Where do I start?
Baker Street. Okay, it should be near the station. Too expensive. I need something cheaper.
Welcome, Ben. This is a bright, furnished studio.
Wow, it has very big windows.
Does the rent include utilities? Yes, all utilities are included in the monthly rent. But there is a security deposit to pay today. But there is a security deposit to pay today.
I want to live here.
Welcome to your new home, Ben.
Whew, this box is heavy, but I am almost there. Where does the lamp go? Next to the bed or on the table? Oh no! I need a screwdriver for the table. Hello? Are you the new neighbor? Thanks for the help, Leo. The table looks great.
Now, it feels like home.
The store is right around the corner. Perfect. Dinner is ready. It smells amazing.
Good night, London.
I love my new apartment. See you next time.